In this video, I will show you how to add a meta title and meta description in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website homepage on Hostinger Website Builder, and to add a meta title or meta description, just go to website settings, then click on SEO settings. Select between your website pages or a product pages in order to find your page. For example, click on product pages. As you can see, these are all products available in my store. Let's click on the first product, which is a classic cap product. You can either fill in the SEO title and the meta description yourself, or writing it using AI. Let's use AI for example. This is a product page for my classic cap that I sell online. Click on next. Select your targeted. Select keywords to add to your page. Select 3 keywords for your page. For example, classic cap, cap for sale, and buy cap. Click on next. And this is an SEO title and a meta description written for you using AI. Click on finish. As you can see, this is your SEO title and meta description. And this is how to add a meta title and meta description in Hostinger Website Builder.